Hello there and welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a system test 4 of the advanced MX Pro 4 system. So in this video I am only going to be testing the workshop. So got the same Series 65 as in the last test there, and then we have the KAC conventional call point here, same as previously. So first thing you'll notice is that the repeater panel has moved, so that's now over here. It's much nicer over there, and I've also upgraded the intruder alarm as well. So yeah, that's quite nice. So that's the new LCD keypad there, and so the repeaters moved there. Other changes, so I've got fire extinguisher in here. So that's that there with its label. And then up here, still got the Cranford Controls LED beacon. So that's as it was. And now I've moved the Roshni sounder that was in here. That's now in the house. So we've now got a sounder in the living room. And this is a Banshee XL. So that's that there. I have had this one for quite a few years, and actually lost the mounting base for it, so I had to order a new mounting base. Unfortunately, the only ones that were available were the waterproof ones, so it sort of sticks out from the wall relatively far, but it looks alright, to be fair. So so that's the only real change in here. As I say, the repeater's moved, and we've got the Banshee XL up there. And then outside we actually have a Klaxon Sonos Pulse LED strobe, so I'll just show you that now. There it is there. Obviously it's on its waterproof mounting base, and this has the white LED strobe on this one. You see there, just got a little label underneath it. This it says fire alarm. So that's that. That is that there. Shut the door because it's quite cold out. So as I said earlier, I'm only going to be testing the workshop in this video, and the reason it says 2 zones with disablements is where I've basically turned the house sounders off. So the sounders in the house aren't going to go off, and I'm not going to show you the house in this video. That will be in another video, so I'm going to do another full test, and that's about it. So I have now got a smoke saber as well, so we shall be using that to test the smoke detector. So it is actually the real stuff now, as opposed to just using links or whatever. So I've now got a smoke saber, and that's about it. So first thing I'm going to test is the manual call point. So I've got the key for it on the main keys. So we'll test that first. And the repeater panel, I always leave that in access level 2. So we can just hit silence on that, and that will do it straight away. So we'll test the call point now. Try to. A little bit tricky to get the keys in these. There we go. Wait for that to go off. Okay, and I'll quickly show you the beacon out here. There we are. So that's that, and we can just hit silence on the panel. That's it silenced. That is on its lowest volume, that XL sounder, and it is still very loud in here. But anyway, so that's that tested. See there, same as before. Fire started in zone 2. Workshop, man cave, 1 zone in fire. So that's that tested. Let's reset this call point. Just like that, simple as. And now we've done that, we can hit reset on the panel. And it's a bit slow, and there we are. So that's all back to normal. And one other feature I want to show you is I've now also installed a relay. So you wouldn't have seen that go off, but that lights up red So that's on the sounder circuit, that relay there, and that actually is interfaced with the intruder alarm. And what I get is I get a notification on my phone, which I'll show you. Here we are. So you might not be able to see that, but it says, so the first one says fire alarm sounding, and then yeah, so that's all on there, so that's quite cool. And on the keypad it says alert enter code, so that's just where it's activated. So I'm going to enter in the code and reset the panel. Okay, and then it says reset, fire alarm sounding. It's as simple as that. So yeah, that is quite cool. So as I say, I've now got a relay, so that's interfaced for the alarm panel, so I can get notifications on my phone if the fire alarm goes off, which is really cool. And if I wanted to as well, I could use the input on the panel inside, and I could actually set it up so I can silence it as well from my phone. So yeah, that might be something in the future that I could add on. But anyway, that's that tested. That's the cool point tested. So let's now test the smoke detector. So yeah, smoke saver. So simply just do that, and yeah, we're ready to test it. So it only needs a really short thingy of this, and that will be enough. So wait for that to go off. There we go. There we are, and hit silence, and that's the smoke detector tested. So yeah, that's that. I'm going to leave that in alarm because that will take a long time to reset, and yeah, that's about it. So yeah, say it's only a short video because obviously I've only done the workshop in this video, but yeah, the next video with the fire alarm will probably be another full test, and yeah, that's that. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, thumbs up would be greatly appreciated, and if you could also hit that subscribe button, I'd appreciate that as well. And yeah, that's it. So yep, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.